Introduction, both of you.
Hi, this is Ayushi. Ayushi Bargani. Hi, this is Ayushi Bargali. I'm from Uttarakhand. I'm here in Galgotias for BA Applied Psychology. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Rizvi and I'm pursuing BTech CSC from this Galgotia. And thank you everyone! Thank you.
Okay. Hi Ayushi. My name is Ashutosh Singh. Okay, so you have participated for this Miss Freshers. So if not Miss Freshers, then what?
Miss Talented?
नहीं, वो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है मेरा क्वेश्चन है अगर मिस फ्रेशर या कोई भी पोजीशन नहीं तो क्या?
Experience?
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस?
Experience fun?
नहीं, फन कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता. Why you wanted to? That's the question.
For experience?
Okay, thank you. Hamad, hi.
Hi.
Hamad, why Mr. Fresher?
Because I think I'm worthy.
Why you are worthy? Others are not worthy.
Sorry?
Why others are not worthy?
Others are worthy, but I am telling about myself.
Then why you should be the Mr.
Yeah.
Fresher? Why not they?
Because I've been working on myself for like since when I got when I got mature. I've been working on myself.
Okay, to be the Mr. Fresher, your target
No,
was Mr. Fresher.
No, that's not it. My target was to be the best amongst all.
Okay, being Mr. Fresher is being best.
Yeah, you can say that. Being Mr. Fresher, if you become a Mr. Fresher, everyone in this college will get to know you, which is everyone's dream. जो यहाँ पे भी खड़े हैं, उनका भी ड्रीम है, जो पीछे खड़े हैं, उनका भी ड्रीम है.
Okay. Yeah, hello. Please start with the introduction.
Hi, my name is Albin Davis. I'm from Kerala and I have chosen BPT as my course. My hobbies are dance and singing.
Hello, my name is Siddhantika Karki and I'm from Uttarakhand. My hobbies are music and martial arts and I love to sing.
Siddhantika, do you really think the performance you gave was good enough in comparison to others?
Yeah, it was a bit different and I think it was good because the public enjoyed it and I too enjoyed it.
Okay. And why Miss Freshers, Siddhantika?
I never did something like this before. So I thought maybe I should try something else. And I was good at public speaking, but I never used to come up at stage. Now that I'm here, I know my capabilities.
What capabilities?
That I can speak in public, I'm confident, strong and bold.
Great. Thank you. Albin.
Yes, sir.
Albin, you are a good dancer. So why coming up for a Mr. Fresher?
I was not here to compete for the spot. I am the bloody spot.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah. Besides dancing and yeah, we saw your dance. What else are you interested in? Like hobbies? Can you please tell me some?
I can sing and I work in an NGO. I'm a dog lover. I have a pet. Her name is Coco.
Okay. So, what do you think being Mr. Freshers needs? Just dancing and singing, is this enough? Or
No.
like you said, you are the spot. Why are you the spot? What is this something different in you?
I believe that the personality matters, not that the good looks or not. Inner beauty really matters.
How, like, I'm here right now, right in front of you. How can I know about the inner beauty? Tell me something
different? Like I can't judge you in a minute or two, right? Tell me something different, like what makes you different from the other. I was here to compete. I just want to feel. I just want to feel blessed, and I was here just to not to impress anyone. I was here to express myself. So the title doesn't matter to you? No. No, title doesn't matter? No, sir. Okay, cool. Thanks.
Hi. One more question for you, Siddhantika. What is your biggest fear?
I don't think there is a fear. I take fear as challenges. My fear was speaking in front of people, expressing myself. I don't used to express myself, but now that I've spoken, I know how good it feels.
Thank you.
Hello. Yes, Siddhantika.
Yes, sir.
Now you have spoken, so the game is over now for you.
No, not over.
Why?
I have just started speaking. I have just raised my voice. So it will.
But this is not a point to raise your voice. This is a place to showcase your talent and become Miss Freshers. This is the stage to showcase your talent and become Miss Freshers. This is not a stage where you have to raise your voice.
No, sir. Miss Fresher was a part so that I can come up with people. So,
Okay, Siddhantika. Thank you. Thank you so much. You guys can leave.
Thank you.
Introduction, please.
Hello, I am Ankush Srivastava and I am from BTech CSE.
hello everyone. My name is Harshita and I am from basically BBLLB.
Okay. But can you please tell a bit more about yourself, both of you, please?
My hobbies are dancing and cooking.
My hobby is just dancing, only dancing, because I love to do it.
Okay. So you have danced, now you have shown your talent. So why should we choose you over the others?
I feel like I am the best because I have something which I can do anything whatever I want to. Like if you give me any task, I can do, but it will not be like best. But I will do my 100% to make it best.
Can you sing the song?
I can sing, but
Please.
आप लोग को कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगी राइट मेरी
No,
आवाज में?
please.
Okay, I will sing it.
Sing a Hindi song.
Okay, I will sing it Hindi song. मिले हो तुम हमको बड़े नसीबों से, चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से, मिले हो तुम हमको.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, what's your name?
Ankush Srivastava.
Ankush, yeah. Tell me your strongest point. Like you have been to all the audition rounds and all. What is your strongest point till now?
My strongest point is my dance only. And I came here
Leave this hobbies and all aside. About your personality, your traits and all.
I think my confidence is my strongest quality. And I came here just to express myself. What I am from inside. I came here to show the real thing. And I think that if I am in top 5, I am winner, and all them they are also winners also. So all 5 are winners. And if I will be Mr. Fresher, I think it will be ice on the cherry.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Hello. Okay. A question for both of you. Which rule will you be removing from the university if you get a chance?
Can you please pardon?
Which rule will you remove from the university if you get a chance?
The rule I will remove from this is night. This is night. What this fresher thing is at night because girls cannot come in such place because यहाँ पे बहुत जंगलों वाला area and it's difficult because my parents were not allowing me to come here. So freshers party की timing थोड़ी 6 बजे तक होनी चाहिए.
Okay.
And I think that the talent should be also shown by everyone. Everyone should get a chance. That should be my thing.
Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you so
Thank
much.
Thank you.
Provide them the mic. एंकर्स इसके बाद हम रैंप वॉक नहीं करेंगे, डायरेक्टली इंट्रोडक्शन एंड ये वाला राउंड, ठीक है? या
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम दिव्यांश त्रिपाठी है और दिव्यांश का मतलब होता है डिवाइन पार्टिकल, किसी दिव्य चीज़ का एक बहुत ही छोटा सा टुकड़ा। और मुझे लगता है कि मैं बहुत ही दिव्य हूँ, मैं यूनिक हूँ।
दिव्यांश, व्हाई मिस्टर फ्रेशर?
एक्चुअली क्योंकि ये बहुत ही बड़ा टाइटल है और सारे कॉलेज में आपको लोग जानेंगे और इससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा फेम भी मिलता है। और 5000 लोगों को बीट करके जो फ्रेशर्स हैं एडमिशन लिया है यहाँ तक आना, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा मतलब मेरे लिए बहुत ही बड़ी उपाधि है इस वक्त के लिए। तो अगर मैं मिस्टर फ्रेशर बनता हूँ तो मेरे लिए बहुत ही अच्छी बात होगी, लोग मुझे जानेंगे।
Can you please start with your introduction?
Yeah, my name is Ritika Pathak. Hi judges. और कैसा है कल ऑडियंस? मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं? Okay. I'm from PPT batch. I'm from Lucknow and my hobby is to dance. And I'm a very much foodie kind of person. And that's it.
Okay, yeah. So what if you don't become Miss Freshers? What if you don't become Miss Freshers? How will you react?
कोई बात नहीं, यहाँ आना ही मेरे लिए इतना बड़ा अचीवमेंट था। यहाँ तक मैंने इतना ऑडिशन क्रैक किया, उसके बाद यहाँ खड़ी हुई हूँ, आप लोग के साथ बात कर रही हूँ, वही बहुत है मेरे लिए।
काफी इतना तो नहीं चाहिए टाइटल?
नहीं भी है, पर आपने कहा ना अगर फ्रेशर नहीं बनी तो मेरे लिए उतना काफी हो गया।
तो मतलब ऐसे जबरदस्ती नहीं है कि चाहिए, ठीक है? It's
नहीं,
fine. कोई बात
क्यों
नहीं।
नहीं है? मतलब ऐसा नहीं है, आपने कहा ना अगर नहीं बनी तो मतलब अगर बनी तो बहुत अच्छी बात होगी मेरे लिए भी। और
Okay. And guy, what's your name? Can you Divyansh, right? यार आपने जो इतनी शुद्ध हिंदी बोली है, आप कहाँ से हैं पहले ये बताइए।
हम लखनऊ से हैं, नवाबों के शहर लखनऊ से।
That's great. लखनऊ में मेरे को लखनऊ जाना है। आप कहाँ से हैं?
लखनऊ से।
दोनों लखनऊ से हैं, साथ में तो नहीं पढ़े? आप दोनों अपने अपने फेवरेट स्पॉट्स बता दो लखनऊ में, अगर आपको कहीं हैंग आउट करना। हाँ, एक स्पॉट।
रूमी गेट, रूमी दरवाजा है, जो कि रूमी थे वो शायर थे, तो वो बहुत ही मेरी फेवरेट प्लेस है क्योंकि मैं वहीं जाके बैठता हूँ जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सैड होता हूँ, अपसेट होता हूँ।
सैड, ओके, थैंक। नेक्स्ट रिवर फ्रंट। ओके, बस पानी में बहना। चलो ठीक है। थैंक यू गाइस।
थैंक यू।
Hi judges, my name is Shrishti Sahu and I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I'm pursuing BBA in Aviation Management here and I had my auditions. I performed dancing and singing.
My name is Anupam and I am from BHM of your hospitality management and I am basically from Kushinagar but still in before 6 years I am still in Lucknow.
अनुपम,
Yes, sir.
व्हाई मिस्टर फ्रेशर?
सर, इसका सिंपल सा आंसर है मेरे पास। अगर इन 6000 बच्चों में से हमें चूज किया गया है, दैट मीन्स आई हैव सम टैलेंट और इन 6000 बच्चों में से हमें यहाँ पे खड़ा होके इन 6000 बच्चों के फेस पे स्माइल ला रहा हूँ, दैट मीन्स आई डिजर्व फॉर द मिस्टर फ्रेशर।
अनुपम, एक जोक सुनाओ।
जोक?
बस जोक सुनाना है, कॉमेडी पार्ट नहीं करना है, जोक।
ओके।
इतना टाइम नहीं है.
ओके ओके सॉरी. एक लड़की है, भोली सी दीवानी सी, मस्तानी सी, रोज मेरे गलियों में घूमा करती है और कहती है ए गोभी लाओ.
Thank you. What's your good name?
Shrishti Sahu.
Srishti. Why Miss Freshers?
Sir, I have performed singing and dancing here, and I basically love inculcating different skills within me. So I think my aura can give justice to the tag of Miss Freshers.
Why will you give justice to that tag?
Sir, anytime we get into a competition, we try our level best to give justice to the tag, whatever.
What manner are you going to give justice to this tag?
Sir, I have performed singing. and
Everyone
also
is performing something or the other. Like most of them are singing and dancing. How are you different? How are you
I
different?
think my personality, the way I'm talking, the way I have dressed myself can give justice to the tag.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day
Thank you
and
so
all the
much.
very best.
All
to
the
you.
best,
Thank you so
guys. All the best.
थैंक यू सर.